Riffs Privé Noir. Ayan ang ating review for tonight's video. Okay, so siguro matatandaan nyo, couple of weeks back, binigyan natin ng first impressions itong pabangong ito. And ang sabi natin, this is a Creed Aventus clone. Kaya nga lang, kanyang opening, medyo amoy lupa yung pagka-woodsy niya. Alright, so may citrus siya, pero yung kanyang woodsy, imbis na amoy na parang pencil na tinasahan, ang amoy niya parang lupa. Alright, so pahinga muna natin tong perfume na to at least a week, and then testing natin ulit siya, and ito naman na ating masasabi this time around. Okay, so let's do 2 sprays right here sa ating wrist. And in terms of the opening, ayan na, nag-iba na. Hindi na siya yung amoy lupa na nasabi natin last time that we reviewed this. This time around, maamoy mo na yung kanyang grapefruit, cardamom, and apple. Yun na yung kanyang opening. And then yung pagka-woodsy niya, medyo, alam mo na yung parang bagong tasang pencil. Ayan, naamoy mo na yung pagka bagong tasa na pencil dito sa opening niya. Okay, hindi na siya yung amoy lupa like what I have experienced before. So, now, let's talk about the performance naman of this perfume. I would say na average lang kanyang performance. Magpo-project siya probably in the first 3 hours na in-apply mo tong perfume na to, and within the 4 hours to 6 hour mark, dyan, medyo amoy skin scent na siya. Now, in terms of sa pag-apply nito sa clothes, yan, medyo mas matagal, 6 hours na amoy mo talaga siya, and then up to 8 hours, yan, dun pa rin yung amoy ng perfume na to. Now, projection, yung scent bubble mo, I think around 3 to 4 feet. Okay, and then in terms of sealage, ganun din. Pagka naglalakad ka, may iwan yung scent mo within 3 to 4 feet. Alright, so maganda yung performance nito. For me, average, and up until maganda yung kanyang performance. So, probably on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd rate this on a scale of 1 to 10, 8 out of 10. Alright, in terms of value for money, probably around 9, kasi nga this one goes for less than 1,200 pesos for this 100 ml bottle. Okay, so actually, to be honest with you, in the last couple of days, ito yung medyo napapadalas kong gamitin, kasi nga ang ganda na ng kanyang opening, tapos up until dry down, ganun na ganun pa rin siya. Citrusy, tapos yung tamang woodsy na amoy na suede and leather. Yan, ang ganda na. Ang ganda ng ano niya after niya mag-mature. So, kung bibili ka nito, take into consideration yung panahon na kailangan mo siyang i-rest. Actually, I saw some videos also online na nagsasabi na ganun din yung experience nila, na amoy kakaiba upon purchase or pagka-purchase nila, and then they gave a few days of rest, and then nag-improve na yung kanyang performance. So, ayan lang. Okay, so that's my fair warning for this perfume pagka bagong bili. Again, make sure that you do a few sprays, and then pahingin nyo siya, tapos a couple of days gamitin nyo na siya. Alright, so yun lang naman. If you have any questions about this perfume, and you have any suggestions on future videos that you'd like for me to do, please leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again soon. Bye!